Thank you so much, Saniji and Dinavi, for inviting me to this forum. It's a beautiful opportunity for me today to talk to these beautiful people out here. Thank you so much, Saniji, for doing my marketing and introducing myself. As this was a format was given to me, so my name is Priyankini, and I am the founder of Speak Out Club, which is a platform wherein I take the level of public speaking to the next level. I help entrepreneurs, coaches, and working professionals to level up their public speaking game. I'm an author of the book called Speak Out, which is available on Amazon. I am a public speaking coach, having 8+ years of experience in this training industry, having coached 10,000 plus people in the last decade, and of course, a mother of two beautiful angels. So that's about me, and which Saniji missed out. So I thought to bring it up. Okay. Now, talking about coach confidence, I would like to start with something. So, tell me, what is the opposite of confidence, guys? Any one or two words? You can just unmute yourself. What is the opposite of confidence? Anybody?
Fear of speaking,
Fear of
uh,
speaking.
inability to do a thing, when you're unsure
Inability
of
to, sorry,
anything.
can you repeat that? Unsure of anything, self doubt,
Inability to
low
do a
self
thing,
worth,
when you're unsure of
inability
doing
to,
anything.
I would like to talk about the self doubt, low self worth, low self esteem, right? So I would like to talk about the self worth of a coach. Now, let me tell you that if you are a coach, you are already chosen by the divine, right? You are the special one. You are chosen by the divine to impact millions of big things. Okay, so I guys, that's already a privilege for us. So let us celebrate that. That's a big thing. Okay, so I want all of you to unmute yourself and on a count of one, two, three, you just raise your right hand higher up to the sky and say, I am the best coach. Can you do that? Can we celebrate as a coach? So please unmute
I'm the
yourself. One,
best.
two, and three. I am
I
the
am
best
the
coach.
best
Coming back to
coach.
this,
Best
I
coach.
was just going through an ad by a coach, okay, which said that so, coming back to this, I was just going through an ad by a coach, okay, which said that the kind of impact a coach is making today is much, much bigger than a normal Bollywood celebrity or a cricketer is making. And that is so true, guys. You will see coaches all over today. And the kind of job we are doing, changing lives, like helping people grow, that is something. So in coaching, what we do is we take there can be nothing, I mean, more divine than that. I am not good so in coaching, what we do is we take a person, a client from point A to point B. What is point A? I am not good enough. I can't do it. Realize their I can do and it. Show them the mirror. In this process, we try to make them realize their potential and show them the mirror that this is who you are. So I tell them directly, "अरे गधे, ये देखो, यही I do it." So sorry for that, Hindi. Right now, that's a beautiful thing which my coach did it for me, and I do it for all my clients. Right now, I would like to reinforce how to unleash coach confidence. I would emphasize on two particular things. One is as broadening your so I would like to give one example as to how I did it. So the two things are one is next, broadening your purpose, broadening your vision. My vision is to impact 1,000 people in the next 5 years, right? So that is one thing. Second thing is rewiring your mindset. As Sarah already mentioned that in the old days. So how I did it, that is at the till the age of 20, age 29. That means like I used to believe that if I earn 40,000 a month, that is my highest potential. Okay, that means like I'm the happiest person in this world. I will buy some clothes and buy this, buy that, and I'm happy. Okay, so after coaching, like last, I was guys in coaching. So what changed was that I started believing that like even earning 40 lakhs a month is possible. So what shifted? The mindset shifted. So what shifted even more is my approach tried to shift that focus from inward to outward. So what I was thinking of just for example, I was thinking about me, right? Now what I think about, I make sure, okay, how to help them, how to serve them, how to be there for them. You can see I was having what happens is when you slept the whole day, so I made sure I these small emotions like so what happens is when your purpose is so big, these small emotions like low self-worth, low self. Second thing is rewiring your anxiety. They just how to do that now. Right, so when I purpose bigger. Second thing is rewiring your mindset. How to do that? Now, when I say I am worthless, I am useless. When I say I am incapable, I am hopeless. Right now, it doesn't suit me. Versus when I say those words, it doesn't suit me. I'm such a powerful person. I'm so beautiful. That suits me so well. So versus when I say I am creative, I'm powerful. So look at my expression. They also change, right? So why to go ahead for that? So we need to rewire again. I am positive words. That so when you focus on this, I am worth right. I am look at this again. I am. You are giving your identity to that particular small emotion, right? I am Priyankini. I'm not worthless, right? NLP, says a very beautiful concept. It says that neuro linguistic program. Neuro is your neural connections. Linguistic is the language of words. So it says that the words which you speak have the power to change your neural connection. It also says the words which you speak that is very simple. Take 100% right? So focus and so how to rewire your mind. Very simple. Take 100% responsibility, not of the situation, now, but to 100% responsibility of the thoughts, the words which you're speaking. Right now, to wind up, I will end up with a small example again. How to rewire your mind. I'm struggling to get clients. I'm trying we do not have the control of situation. For example, I'm a beginner. I'm a beginner coach. I'm struggling to get clients. I'm trying everything, this and I'm doing marketing, I'm doing this, that, promoting myself, building my brand. Still, I'm not getting making so. There's two ways to, your mind is a, meaning making machine. Because it can give an empowering meaning as well as a disempowering. Now, suppose out of that situation, I feel that if I say that you have been out since 1 year, so I'm not better than other coaches. I think the other coaches are better than me. Or if I say that okay, I'm worthless, I'm useless, this is not my remain. That is different, right? I remain what is empowering? If I look at it, I feel that okay. Even if things are not working, still I remain the best coach, right? I remain the best coach, and I'll try out a strategy which works for me. Like suppose the strategy is not working, if I keep doing it, it will same results. Right? So yes, rather I will learn from a coach, I learn from a mentor, who's doing it, plotting your purpose, and hear your steps. So yes, that's all about it. So plotting your purpose, rewire your belief system.
अच्छा मेरे को देखिए हर बच्चा यही बोलता है सर स्माइल अच्छी
And yes, keep smiling.
अच्छा मेरे को देखिए हर बच्चा यही बोलता है सर स्माइल अच्छी थैंक यू प्रियांकिनी तुमको पता है कि एक ही आंसर देना है वी हैप्पी